Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm OYOKO, but you can call me V. So I'm going to pack. I'm slightly stressed because I'm flying tomorrow morning and I haven't done anything yet. I still have a few appointments that I need to go to, so that's going to take up some of my time. There's some issues with my boarding pass, so let's just hope that that gets sorted out. I honestly don't know if things are gonna go well today. It's going to be a long haul flight, so I ordered myself some compression socks and I'm very excited. Yes, you heard that right. I'm very excited for my socks. So I need to pick those ones up as well. But yeah, apparently it helps with blood circulation, especially if you're seated for a very long time. It helps regulate all the things that needs regulating. So I'm gonna get that. I'm actually very excited to see and feel and yeah, wear them tomorrow morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and not stress too much and start packing. I will not tell you where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make a second video when I'm there, and then you know, like, this is where she is now. I kind of packed all of my toiletries, so I'm gonna take this with me. I basically use this for makeup, mainly lipsticks, lip liners, and a few brushes. Yeah, it's nothing much, so I want to take this with me. I got this from Glossier because I really like the bag, so I was like, let me just get it. It's an investment. And it's easy, it's compact, especially when you're traveling. It's easy to pack everything in one thing and then you're good to go. And then my other bag is basically for all my toiletry. Well, my other bag is all for my like showering supplies, and well, I have some vitamins in here as well. I have all my showering stuff in here. I just need to figure out where I can pack my creams, because it's still too small. If it was slightly larger, it would have been great, but yeah, it's fine. I like the color. So also I got myself a bum bag or a fanny pack, whatever you want to call it. I got it in blue just to make it easier, so I'm gonna have it like this. Put my passport and boarding pass and all the other stuff, my phone, put it all in here to make it easier for myself instead of trying to find it in several pockets and bags and jackets and all that stuff. So I got this specifically for this trip, and obviously I'm not going to bring it back afterwards because I used to wear fanny packs or bun bags all the damn time, so it's very handy. I'm taking these I'm taking this bikini with me, but I don't know when the last time was I wore this, but it's too small. It's way too small. I never swim, so I don't know if I should even bring this with me, but I know how to swim, but it's just like, will I swim? And especially in a bikini like this, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna, it's actually small, but you know what? Let me just take it with me because I don't have time to buy a new bikini and I'm not sure if I'm actually going to use it. So yeah, but it looks okay, I guess. Oh god, I don't think I'll be able to. I feel like this is too tiny. It's very low. Anyway, we'll see. There's a change in plans. I am going to choose 4 outfits because I'm struggling. Like, like it's a whole mess. So what I'm going to do is choose 4 outfits, only 4, and then the 5th one obviously I'll have on when I go. I think I'm going to do 1 suit, 1 dress, an outfit with a skirt. They told us to dress very warmly because it's going to be cold. So I have a jumper, and I'll probably pack some extra bits because then I can layer my outfits, and then hopefully that will keep me warm as well. Like, this is literally what I have, nothing, just that 1 dress. That one is full of dresses and socks and all that stuff. And these 2 things are, you know, as I said earlier, my toiletries, and then I have another dress in there. So I think what I'm going to do is pick that one. I'm going to do a black blazer as well, and definitely wear a black trouser. So that's the outfit for tomorrow, so I don't have to think about it. And then 1, 2, 3, that could maybe be an outfit with that. 4, maybe 4. I have like shoes there. It's just a whole mess. Don't even look at everything because it's like I need to sort everything out properly. But yeah, I'm gonna choose maybe a black trouser, and yeah, black trouser, black blazer, and then that will look nice and classy as well. It's fully done now. My skin looks shiny and clean, so I'm happy. They're here. I finally have them. So I've changed my mind again. I'm now going to wear this, which is nice and warm, and just a black trouser, like a cargo pants, because loads of pockets, and then these compressed socks and just basic shoes, and then the bum bag where I have all my stuff. I'm still thinking of these things here because I have too many things now. So I have packed everything, but I still need to weigh it. The plastic bags have shoes in them because I don't want my clothes to get dirty. But yeah, that's basically it. I have everything. I just don't know if I'm exceeding. I just don't know if I'm exceeding the limit with what I have packed now. So that's why I haven't put these ones in there too. So yeah, I don't know. I could, because this is quite thin, so I might not even wear it. This is quite warm, I guess, and that is more to sleep in. So yeah, but that's basically it. I have everything that I need, and then this is just my balaclava. So yeah, I'm kind of ready. That's gonna come, that one is gonna come, and this tiny bum bag, and that's all I have. So yeah. Goes. Oh my god.
fruit, wasn't it? Yeah.